A good operated light steel keel rod forming machine should have following characteristics. First, equipment should be able to recognize the designing software data and can connect it seamlessly. It can read the data output from software. Second, the steel keel products used by our rod forming machine have conformed the industry standard. Function have met the connected knot of light steel keel's construction. Third, this rod forming line has high processing accuracy and the control system program is customized made according to the equipment's need. So it can calculate accurately and start work fastly. Our light steel keel is post-punching, post-cutting type. It can avoid the stretching or extruding of steel keel product, or it may cause the displacement of hole. And secondly, our producing line has a high qualified product rate and less waste. The material waste head can be controlled at 0.02 to 0.5 meter, and the tail waste material is less than 1 meter. If the light steel keel rod forming machine is pre-punch and post-cut type, the length measurement device is far away from the cutting mold, so the waste material head will be longer than 2 meters, and the waste tail length is longer than 5 meters. Our high-speed light steel keel producing line general producing capacity is 6 to 10 tons. Our equipment is equipped with automatic logo printing device. During the processing of the equipment, scratches on the surface of material should be avoided as much as possible. Our high-speed equipment have been equipped with cooling and lubrication system on rollers and raw material. We sprayed or rolled the cooling protection liquid on the raw material surface before processing to reduce the scratch. Our machine is continuous punching the wet hole. It does not squeeze and the failure rate is low. This is the big advantage of our light steel keel rod forming machine. Hence, our rod forming line has added stiffness to the web will increase the strength of the keel by about 28%. There are also have stiffness design steel keel machine, but after punching water hole and electric cable hole, the stiffness will be destroyed also, so the stiffness function is nearly nothing used. The vertical keel is supposed to the bottom of the keel bottom. It is surface connected. The hose is directly carried by the vertical keel and the hose is safer. Not the same as the other product, only connected by point. Our rod forming machine can work in high temperature area due to 70 to 80% of the time is punching and cutting, and the hydraulic system works for a long time period under high temperature and high frequency, so the producing line must be together with refrigeration system or water cooling system. If the outside environment temperature is higher than 40 degrees, the water cooling system can fully lower down the temperature down to ensure machine performance is still good.